Guangzhou Hangtong Packing Products Factory is located in Guangzhou City with convenient transportations. Our related factory has advanced printing machines, such as Germany Heidelberg printing presses, Martini Perfect binding machine, Martini folding machine, Martini sewing machine, CTP pre-press system. Our company is a professional supplier in printing industrial. After several years of rapid development, we begin to develop foreign markets in 2014. Nowadays, we specialize in book printing such as notebooks, journals, diary books, magazines, catalogues, children books, comic books, novels, desk calendars. In addition to book printing, we also do many other paper products like stickers, boxes, paper bags, folders, flyers, cards. We are dedicated in improving our comprehensive ability and establishing a good reputation. With advanced machines, rich experience in production and sales, we have exported products to all over the world. America, Australia, Europe, Canada are our mainly export country. We insist on high quality, fast delivery, competitive price, and good service. We will go ahead steadily towards the goal to provide our customer with our better services and more professional printing and packaging solutions. We will never stop our effort for every business. OEM is available. Please feel free to send us more information about your design or send us your logo in AI or PDF format. We welcome any requirements and are looking forward to cooperating with you soon.